Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to connect to an existing domain. And it says that the following error occurred attempting to join the domain. The specified domain either does not exist or cannot be contacted. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to Category View and then select Network and Internet on the left side. Select Network and Sharing Center. So go ahead and left click on that. And then select whatever your internet connection type is over here on the right. There should be a little hyperlink. So go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select Properties. And then you want to select Internet Protocol version 4, and then in parentheses it says TCP/IPv4, and go ahead and select the Properties button. Select Use the following DNS server address, and then make sure your preferred DNS server address in here matches the domain controller's IP on the client workstation. You're going to go ahead and make sure that's set to the preferred DNS server there. And once you're done entering that, you would want to validate settings upon exit. Select OK, and then you would go ahead and proceed to attempt to hopefully connect to the domain, and you should be good to go at that point. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.